Hello, 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 hi, it is Pete, and today what I want to do is just have a quick look at Google Docs and how we can add speech recognition onto the system. Now, the first thing to point out is that many of these add-ons only work with Google Chrome as your browser. So if you're working with your own laptop, download Google Chrome. If you're not, then you may need to sort of add Google Chrome onto the computer that you're actually working on. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to come across onto my Google Drive, and then over here I'm going to click on New and Google Docs. Then with the speed of a gazelle it will actually load onto the screen, and there it is ready for me to use. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to load the add-on called Google Docs. Here I've got the option for add-ons, so I click onto add-ons. And then I've got the option Get Add-ons. This is straightforward stuff, this is, yeah. So I click on to Get Add-ons, and then here I've got a great library of different add-ons that I could actually use. And some of these are very, very good. Some of them have got a slight cost against them, but it's worth actually experimenting and see which ones you find useful. Here I've got my search add-ons, and I want to search for speech. So I'm going to type the word speech into there and press the enter key or the return key, and here it's got speech recognition. So I'm going to click onto there. Oh, it says it's free. I like something that's free. Free is good for me. It then asks me for permission to use the bits that it needs, so I'm going to allow that. And then we've now got the Google add-on all ready for me to play with. So here it says speech recognition, first got a menu, add-on, speech recognition, click on start, and away we go. Okay, so let's go through onto this. I click onto add-ons. There is speech recognition, and here I've got three options. I've got start, config, and help. Well, I'm going to click on config first of all, because what config does is says how many spaces should it leave after a period, the full stop. So here I can say, well, I like to leave 2 spaces after a full stop. What is the activation word for that? Well, I prefer the word full stop. So I'm going to tell it that I like the word full stop. What do I like for the comma? Well, comma seems to be good for me. Activation word for a new line. It's got new line. Well, I'm going to go for paragraph. Activation word to stop, stop. That seems fairly straightforward. So I'm just going to click on save. And what we've done there, oh look, it can't spell configuration. What we've done there is we've now told the machine how to operate when we're wanting to play with Google with add-ons. So I'm going to go into there, my speech recognition. I'm going to click on to start. And then down the side here, it's now bringing up the speech recognition window. It says press start to start the voice recognition. That is not rocket science, is it? Yeah. Here it says select the language and the dialect. Well, I've gone for English, United Kingdom. And then here I can click on to start, and it should start to record my voice. So I'm going to click on to start. And now I can actually start recording. Paragraph. If music be the food of love, play on, comma. Give me excess of it, that surfeited the appetite may sicken and so die. Paragraph. How is that for a touch of Shakespeare? Full stop. Paragraph. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Full stop. Paragraph. Stop. And there you can now see how I've been able to talk to my computer, and it's actually recording exactly what I am saying. This is magical stuff. You can imagine the way that you can actually use this just to record little messages, to start to record your memoirs perhaps. You can lounge laid back on your chaise lounge in your sort of in your boudoir, narrating your memories of dim and distant events in the past, or indeed what was happening last night when you were down the pub. You can do anything you want with this system. It is fantastic. Incidentally, I've also used this when I've actually been listening back to recorded voices from other systems, and it will actually listen to other people's voices, and therefore you can get the narration of what people are saying. All good stuff. Talk to you later. Bye.